In this video, I show you how to fix Wing app network issues or Wing app update problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Wing, tap on Wing, update your Wing app if available any update version. Now search for 1.1.1 VPN, tap on it, install. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Wing, tap on it, tap on full stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now connect your VPN app. Now tap on next. Now tap on accept. Install VPN profile. Then OK. Not now. Connect. Now open your Wing app. Agree. Now I hope that this method fix Wing app network issue or Wing app update problem.